Let's assume this is an isosceles triangle. And if this is isosceles triangle, it means that this side here is congruent with this side. And this angle is congruent with the other angle. And this is the right triangle. And a special right triangle, as we have here, we can try to figure it out the angles here. We already know, according to the interior angle theorem, here is, let's say this is angle 1, this is angle 2. So we already know angle 1 plus angle 2 plus a right angle, which is 90 degrees, is equal with 180. But what do we know here? Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So angle 1 is equal, so measurement of angle 1 is equal with measurement of angle 2. So I'm not writing with m because it's taking more time. And what do I know here? Instead of the angle 2, I will write angle 1 plus angle 1 plus 90 degree is equal with 180. And now minus 90 both sides, minus 90 here. And angle 1 plus angle 1 is a 2 angle to measurement of angle 1, which is equal with 180 minus 90 is 90. If we divide everything by 2, and here by 2, it implies measurement of angle 1 is equal with a 45 degree. So angle 1 is a 45 degree. But because angle 1 is equal with angle 2, so measurement of angle 1 is equal with measurement of angle 2, and we can conclude that measurement of angle 2 is a 45 degree. So this angle here is a 45 degree. But because these two sides are equal, we don't know the exact measurement of this side. Let's say this is x. And let's say this side here is x. And this triangle here is in a ratio with respect to the angles 45, 45, and a 90 degree. And now, since this, according to the Pythagorean theorem, and since this is a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, which says that the hypotenuse, let's say hypotenuse, let me write h, is equal with h squared is equal with x squared plus y squared, but in this side here, the other side is x squared. And h squared is going to be equal to the 2x squared. If I'm squaring both sides, so square root of h squared is a plus minus square root of 2x squared. This we can simplify here, and the h is going to be squared with the square root can be simplified, and x is equal with the square root of 2. So I'm disregarding the negative sign because in geometry the length does not exist with negative sign. And instead of the x here in the hypotenuse, I'm writing the x is times square root of 2. And this is a proportion of the angles. Those angles are 45, 45, 90, and the ratio of the sides is in this form with the x and 2, and here is going to be x square root of 2.